1 in 3 women the world over suffers domestic violence at the hands of a partner or somebody else. Ghana is no exception, and women's groups have been calling for changes in the way women are treated. Despite efforts, domestic violence survivors say that they struggle to gain access to the justice system in Ghana, as CGTN's Nabil Ahmed Rufai now reports.
Agnes Mensah is a domestic worker in Accra. She says she suffered sexual abuse at the hands of different employers over the years, forcing her to change jobs several times.
I got pregnant after being raped by my employer. I had to abort the pregnancy.
And yet, Mensah says she never had the courage to report the case. In Ghana, over 71% of women have experienced violence in their lifetime, according to the Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection. Esther Kosi is a domestic worker who is also working to get justice for victims and survivors.
They can't speak for themselves. They are ignorant of their rights and responsibilities. That is the whole problem, because they are afraid.
She says there is a need to raise awareness. Some survivors of domestic violence find it difficult to pay for legal fees in order to get justice. For others, there is also a cultural belief that domestic and sexual violence is a private matter that should be addressed outside of the criminal justice system. This means many cases go unreported. Ghana passed a comprehensive Domestic Violence Act in 2007 to protect women and punish offenders. There is also a fund to provide free medical care to victims. But some women's rights activists say it is being poorly implemented.
The Domestic Violence Fund is a provision in the Act, which we believe that if it's fully implemented and rolled out fully, it will address some of the challenges the victims, survivors face in terms of maybe getting money to pay for medical reports.
The government says it is putting the right structures in place to uphold the law. Agnes Mensah says she hopes that happens soon, so other women will not have to endure the violence she and other survivors have experienced. Nabil Ahmed Rufai, CGTN, Accra, Ghana.